Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to add outer glow to text in Photoshop. Create a new layer, text tool, horizontal type, choose text, Arial black, text size, type anything, hold shift, double click 16, effects blending option or double click the text layer, outer glow, blend mode normal, choose any color, blend mode liner dots, screen, etc. Multiply. OK. Increase the range, increase or decrease size. OK, thanks for watching video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.